1, 2, bust a move and show them what I really do. Like 3, 4, kick the door and make some room, then give them more. Like 5, 6, I don't miss it. Everything I do is big. So 7, 8, why wait? Life is good, let's celebrate. I do what I wanna do. Everybody bust a move. Stand back, give me room. I'm doing my thing.
Lagi tayo maging grateful sa lahat na nangyayari sa atin kasi hindi magiging posible ito kung hindi dahil kay Lord.
Sobrang ganda ng year 2023 and we look forward to next year and to following years. Enjoy na po natin itong gabing ito. Maraming salamat, Coach Jomo Star, for this opportunity po.
I'm doing my
President and CFO, Boss Carlito Macatanggan!
Alam mo, sa buhay natin, maniwala ka, basta may pangarap ka, mangyayari yan talaga. Gusto ko makita ninyo na kami ni Boss Jomo, kasama mo pa rin kami palagi, araw-araw. Pagtataguyod namin, ipaglalaban namin kung ano may mga gusto mo. So, again, thankful talaga ako sa lahat ng mga coach and mentors na patuloy na tumutulong at nagsasakripisyo para sa buong kumpanya natin. Palakpakan natin sila ulit lahat. Guys, again, maraming salamat and I hope maging happy kayo tonight, mag-enjoy kayo.
I'm doing my
Gusto ko i-congratulate again yung mga distributors, franchises natin dito. Because all of you here, you are all winners. I will justify it why. Because all of you are risk takers. Never ever settle for less, guys. Etong taon na to, sobrang blessed tayo. And sobrang thankful ako kay God. Gusto ko siyang pasalamatan ulit. We will break more records. And again, we will dominate this industry.
To God be the glory. Thank you guys and Merry Christmas everyone.